Much love, blessings, family. What's up? Jesse Tree here, Shaka. Hope you're all doing well today. It's been another beautiful day in a beautiful garden. Today's Earth Day. I'm so grateful to be a gardener on Earth Day. God bless. I'm here at an installation my wife and I and family put together for some friends in Sandia Park in the East Mountains of Albuquerque, and this is a really tough site here. It's really, you take a look at the soil, it's like clay and rock, like real tough. We installed a bunch of rainwater harvesting earthworks, did a bunch of soil activation and seed sowing, and planted out the beginnings of a food forest last year. And check it out, this is what's starting to come. Oh yeah. So, yes, rainwater harvesting on contour. We got a little infiltration basin here. We got currant, serviceberry, wild vetch, and all through here we got hairy vetch, apple, mulberry, New Mexico locust, vetch building up that soil real good. All these little seedlings are wildflowers we sowed. There'll be wildflowers coming in, pollinator attractors. We got yarrow, nettle, comfrey showing up here. Got apple, jujube, pear, plum, sand cherry. Jujubes are over there. Swale we just put in and had an irrigation zone too. There's some nettles and jujube there. And yeah, it's great to see they haven't even used the irrigation at all this year. This is just coming up thanks to the good moisture we've had this winter and early spring. And I'm always so pleased when I can look over my works and see the good I've done. And this is an activity all human beings can do. Permaculture is super simplistic. This is the way we can heal the planet. People keep on wondering what the next technology for carbon sequestration is going to be. I'll tell you what it is. It's a tree. One of those fixes carbon into the soil, makes it inert. So yeah, we got goji berries going here. So this hillside that a lot of people might consider, unworkable, we've been able to develop food forest guild here. There's also pinon, gamble oak, juniper, and a little bit of wild grasses and stuff in terms of like forageable, sort of secondary or tertiary, sustenance sources. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. Hope you're having a beautiful Earth Day. Go out there and heal the earth, heal yourself in the process. The exercise, the fresh air, the fresh food. It's all a lifestyle, an abundant lifestyle, and one we're moving into more and more. So these are the techniques and the technologies, people. Look me up if you're interested in a consult or one of our classes. I'm a plant man on YouTube, ziapermaculture.com, to check out our classes and workshops and website. Like and subscribe. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Much love, my peeps.